All right, welcome back. This is part 4, final part of creating content as a teacher in your Google Classroom. We've looked at creating material, assigning something with a due date, and then scheduling something to be assigned. This time we're going to look at reusing a post and then saving it as a draft and how to come back and edit that post. So we're going to come here to create. I'm going to come down to reuse post. And it dropped me into one of my classes that I already have open. But I'm going to close that and go to a different class. And let's see. Let's do this. Informational writing digital presentation. All right, so I'm going to click on that assignment and click reuse. And make sure that everything looks like I want it to. Add to this, let's say, add your digital presentation, either a file like slides or by a link. Everyone must upload their presentation. Even if you did it with a partner, both people must upload. So the kids are going to have to go in and add their attachment there. I don't want that. I can go here to create, let's say I want them to do it in a slide, and I don't really care what's on there already. This is just an example. I'm going to do make a copy for each student. So I'm going to change that and say use the slides attached to the assignment to complete your presentation. And so demo class, it's going to all students. Points, we're good there. Due date, I don't know. We're going to set this way out in the future. We'll go for the 31st. And informational writing, I'm going to change that to be, we're going to call this week 1 things. Usually when I do a project like this, I add a rubric in. So you could go in and create a rubric, reuse a rubric, or import it from Sheets. I'm not going to do that right now, but it would be like this. So here's the criterion, the description, the points, all that. So the kids can just see it pretty easy. Or I can just use a Google Sheets and drop it in. And I'm going to save this because I need to meet with one of my other English teachers and see if she's doing the same thing. That rubric, we're going to collaborate on that rubric. That's why I'm going to save it. So let's say I've collaborated with her on the rubric, and now I'm going to come back to it and put the rubric in. If I click these 3 dots, I can come here to edit and then come back in and work on that rubric and upload whatever I need to. I can go ahead and assign it at that point. I can schedule it or just continue to leave it as a saved draft until I'm really sure that she and I have all we need together. You can edit anything here on the classwork section. The only thing that you won't be able to edit once you're done with the assignment is, like once you've assigned it and pushed it out, is anything that had that make a copy option right here. If I accidentally didn't set it to make a copy for each student, then I'm going to have to completely recreate that assignment from the very beginning. So just pay attention to that at the beginning. Also, here on the stream, don't mess with these. Don't go in and edit or delete assignments when they're posted here on the stream, because then it'll take it away in the actual classwork section. You can go in and edit and delete your comments and things, though. Have fun with that.